Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and we're going to be doing the unboxing of the iLive wireless under cabinet Bluetooth CD and radio music system. All right, so I got this under cabinet radio system for the kitchen. Um, so pretty much, basically, if you go to my YouTube channel and playlist, you see the My Kitchen Project. I cleaned it up and I repainted the walls, and I pretty much basically am just remodeling the kitchen in progress. So my first thing that I wanted to get for a while was the under cabinet wireless radio system. So I went ahead and I purchased this. Actually, it was pretty good price, affordable. And it actually, I was worried about whether or not if it would fit, and exactly it does. Has the right measurements. I always wondered how they ever put this thing in, and it was actually pretty simple. So I got it, and I ordered it, and I got it, and I just took out the contents, and here we go with the unboxing. All right, so you get the main unit right over here, as you can see. All right, and obviously it was all wrapped up in plastic and everything like that. So you get the main unit, you get the power supply, the AC, although I undid the cord, but I'm gonna rewrap the cord so it's nice and neat. So underneath, you don't get any batteries, okay? So you are gonna have to get two AA batteries, all right, for that. Now the reason for that is in case the power supply goes, it keeps the memory for the time. You get one remote, okay, and that takes two AAA batteries. But I'm not going to be using that. I am going to be getting a universal remote. And the reason for that is because I'm also going to be putting a TV stand up on the wall and with the TV so that I can just use the remotes just with one. Okay. But that'll be in a later video. So you get, again, the main unit, but you don't get the batteries. You get the remote, AC power, and you get the 4 screws and the mounting hardware right over there. Everything else that you are going to have to supply yourself, okay? They come with 2 manuals, okay, how to set the radio and everything like that. And then the template. So this is what the template looks like. I'm going to take everything over here to the side. So what they do is you open up the cabinet to where you're going to put the music system underneath. Okay. And also you've got to clear it as well. All right. And then you take this and you lay it down. And of course you got to drill the holes where the arrows are. All right. And then what you do is you put the unit, after you got the holes drilled out, then you got to put all the mounting hardware right over there. That's how you fasten it, which is pretty cool. All right, and it's pretty simple, and they give you detailed instructions on how to do it from step by step, so it's really not that bad. Now you are going to need additional tools, okay? That's not on the list. So you are going to need a drill, a quarter drill bit, some scissors, because you are going to have to cut right over there, because it does have to fit precisely. You're going to need some tape. More than likely you're going to need the tape because you're going to have to tape it to make sure that it's in place. Tape measure, screwdriver, and safety glasses. All right, so that's pretty much basically it for the unboxing. Okay. Now I've already plugged into this main unit into the outlet, and I just test it to see whether or not if it does work, and it does. You know, so it's actually pretty cool. I really like it a lot. I mean, that's pretty important though. You do want to test it before you mount it in case it doesn't work. That way you can return it. long as you got the receipt, and make sure that if it doesn't work, you can get another one. You don't want to mount it, go through all the process of mounting it, and then I'll find out it doesn't work. And that's pretty much basically about it. And that's what it looks like. So again, they do give you the hardware. Okay, they give you 2 sets of instructions. Also, you do want to keep it. Okay, they give you the box. Okay, and that's exactly it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Be sure to check out my YouTube channel and playlist for the iLive wireless under cabinet Bluetooth CD radio music system. And then also check out for my kitchen projects so you'll actually see how the kitchen is turning out to be. Hey, thanks a lot. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.